Our focus in today's class will be international trade. One way by which we live better on Earth today is because international trade permits national, regional or territorial division of labor to be practiced. International trade, also known as foreign trade or external trade, involves the exchange of goods and services between two or more countries. Types of international trade. Bilateral international trade. Bilateral international trade is a trade agreement in which two countries exchange goods and services. Multilateral international trade. Multilateral international trade is a type of trade in which a country trades with many other countries. For example, Nigeria trades with the USA, Britain and Japan. Reasons for international trade. Differences in technology. Some countries with advanced technology can produce some industrial product at reduced cost and sell to the less developed countries. Expansion of market for product. Desire to improve the standard of living. Problems of international trade. Language problem. Problem of distance. Numerous documents. Differences or fluctuation in currency. Tariff. This makes imported goods more expensive. Religion and cultural differences. Artificial barriers, for example ban, quota, or the use of license. Transport and communication problem. Government policy. Difference between domestic and foreign trade. Language. Domestic trade uses a common language, while foreign trade often requires knowledge of different languages. Measurement systems. Domestic trade typically uses a single system of measurement, whereas foreign trade involves various systems of weighing and measuring. Transport and costs. Foreign trade faces higher transport costs, documentation, and insurance needs due to distance, unlike domestic trade. Legal systems. International trade involves varying legal systems and cultures, whereas domestic trade operates under a single legal framework. Currency. Foreign trade involves different currencies, while domestic trade uses the same currency for transactions. Trade restrictions. Foreign trade may encounter tariffs, duties, and quotas, which do not apply to domestic trade. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.